It is the final channel. Zanera looks at SPV graphics. People power. Akabonero ke komunaye kituufu nabawa story nga ngamba akabonero bakakyusiza naye nga akabonero keeko simanyi waki people power kale tugamba ambuleera waki tugamba ambuleera ya white ku bulu ndowooza bandigambye yeeyo olunaku olwaleero Bobi Wine abadde welcoming balodi mayor ne BMP abamwegasseeko omuli omukulu bali mwezi obw'ennakawa omuli Patrick Nsamba omuli ani ono wa DP kankutere obutezika video kano ani Serunjo Emmanuel wa DP Latif Sebagala abadde mu DP na yazze mu NUP MP zake yali independent na yoyo MP zake toyina bwomwawula ku Bobi Wine. In fact ye yandibadde amyuka naye ebintu bino ebyokugamba nti musosola mu mawanga ne basalawo ne bagamba wayi zake tajja kumyuka katumuwe ekifunga ekitaliiko kuvuganyizibwawo naye nga ye musajja bambi alidde emiggo gya people power ndowooza bulo gimalayo abasirikale eno ze bakwata zaake bamukuba n'embooko z'abawagizi kuba bannaye bakuba zaake oba kwafujjo oba kiki naye omusajja alidde emiggo gya people power oyo bambi katumusabire zaakadde mu parliament ekisanja ekyokubiri kuba emiggo gyafunye amaze okusasulira akalulu ke zaake naye kamutereyo ka video ka Bobi Wine kano nga annyonnyola kuba n'abakulu abajoyininze NUP.
Okay, once again you are very welcome. People power, our power, people power. NUP, national unity. NUP, national unity. NUP. All right. Once again you are very welcome to today's press conference. The national unity platform continues to grow by leaps and bounds. We have numerous people that have registered and become members of the party. And today, as you are going to be notified, we are going to roll out this registration to be countrywide. But as we do that, we thought we would have a good kickstart. And today our team leader is going to be unveiling a couple of leaders that are joining us. So allow me to invite our team leader, Honorable Jagulanyi Sentamu, to come and address us. Welcome.
Thank you very much, Comrade Joel. People power, our power, people power, people power, our power, people power. Now let me teach you one other thing that I didn't start. I saw it late in the 60s, and like we've been saying, we cannot invent a wheel. So when I say everywhere, you say NUP. Everywhere, NUP. Everywhere, NUP. Mbarara, NUP. Kampala, NUP. Busoga, NUP. Bugisu, NUP. Everywhere, NUP. NUP. Everywhere, NUP. Everywhere, everywhere, NUP. Akoteka nyuma. People power, our power, people power. I greet you, ladies and gentlemen, in the name of the National Unity Platform and in the name of the people of Uganda. I want to thank all of you, ladies and gentlemen, in your thousands for responding to our call, for responding to the National Unity Platform message, and always walking along with us. I said it before and I'll say it again that I did not know that the people of Uganda are at that level of comprehension. We find ourselves not having to explain so much because, like I've said in the past, the people we lead are in many ways ahead of us. So I thank you again, ladies and gentlemen. I also want to thank the many Ugandans that have been calling from different parts of the country, asking for National Unity Platform membership cards. Friends, you empower us, you motivate us, and you're the reasons why we keep going. I also want to promise that everything is being done to make sure that you receive your membership cards in due time. I want to thank those noble Ugandans that have offered office space. We recognize many of you wouldn't want to be mentioned, but we know that you are patriotic Ugandans that are doing this in the interest of a better country. Today, ladies and gentlemen, is a great day. Today is a day when we receive noble Ugandans who have taken a fundamental decision to stand and identify clearly and firmly with us as the People Power movement, but most importantly, as the National Unity Platform. We are pleased to know that these ladies and gentlemen are actually confident about identifying with us. These people are people that I personally hold in very high regard. These are people that have been steadfast, they've been consistent, and they continue to be consistent. The Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe is a member of parliament for Manjia County in Bududa. This is a gentleman, ladies and gentlemen, that I admired right from when I entered parliament. One, this gentleman came to parliament on the NRM ticket. He has been a noble and solid member of the NRM. Like I wrote in the past on social media, that we do not doubt people that come from the oppressor's side to join the forces of change and to stand with the people of Uganda. When we were standing against the blatant abrogation of our constitution in the Tojikwata Fair, the Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe stood on the side of Ugandans. Even when Museveni proved powerful, yes, please. Even when Museveni proved so powerful and so ferocious, the Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe continued to stand on the side of Ugandans. He fully represented the voice of the people of Manjia who elected him. And today I cannot be any prouder to announce that the Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe is becoming a member of the National Unity Platform. Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe, it is my absolute honor to present to you your membership card of the National Unity Platform on behalf of the oppressed people of Uganda, and I'm confident that we will continue to stand on their side.
NUP! NUP! Everywhere! People power! Our power! Our power! People power! I would like to make my total commitment to the National Unity Party and to you, our principal, and to you, the membership of NUP, and I assure you of full support of not only this and particularly Manjia. Manjia, I must appreciate you right from here, the headquarters of NUP, because you are the people who brought me up this far. But the entire sub-region of Bugisu, to you members who have not known, we have aggressively been reaching out to them, and they are behind the People Power. And now NUP, which is the vehicle that is going to drive this movement, yes, right from this unveiling, I assure you, we have a lot of moral support from the East, and particularly from the sub-region of Bugisu. NUP, everywhere. People power. Our power. God abundantly bless us. Display your card. Display your card. Where? I'm displaying my card on the other side.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so proud to belong to the same political formation with you, Honorable Nambeshe. Ladies and gentlemen, there is this gentleman. He's a born-again Christian. He does not lie, even in the face of danger. The Honorable Nsamba John Patrick. This gentleman we met at Parliament. Honorable Nsamba came to Parliament on the NRM ticket. Until today, he has been a full member of the National Resistance Movement. But like many other noble Ugandans who respect the people more than the rulers, he stood on the side of the people right from the days of Tojukwatako. He has continued to respectfully disagree with the president, to respectfully disagree with what is wrong. And today, ladies and gentlemen, I cannot be any prouder to associate with the Honorable Samba Patrick Nambeshe. Sorry, Oshabe. Yeah, please Nambeshe, get out of my place. Yeah, the Honorable Samba Patrick Oshabe. Sir, I welcome you. And it is my honor to present to you your membership card of the National Unity Platform, and also also a brochure of what we stand for. NUP! National! NUP! Yes, people power! Our power! Our power! People power! People power! Our power! I am so glad to work with Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. He is a man who inspires me. He's a man who inspires many Ugandans. And every Ugandan now down there, they have hope because of Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Yes. I'm a man who believes in change. I believed in transition within NRM. There was no single hope that within NRM anybody can talk about standing against President Museveni. I am proud to be part of the biggest political party in Uganda today. The National Unity Platform. It's a brand new, biggest, and it is everywhere to the grassroots people. NUP is the vehicle for change. We believe Mission 2021 is real. Yes. By having this card, I feel I'm touching. Yes. I feel I'm already there in Mission 2021. Yes. We are going to change Uganda. And we are not going to use guns. We are going to use our power. Yes. The power of the people. Yes. We must change and send the dictator to rest. The dictator must rest. Now I want to encourage every member of NRM. I know many of you are uncomfortable with the system. Take a decision like I have taken a decision. Take a decision to be part of Ugandans. Be part of our country. Be part of this movement. A movement determined to bring a transition in this country using peaceful means. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. Thank you very much. Wow. He said it. Join us, brothers and sisters, from all formations, including the NRM. We will be your brothers and sisters. We shall welcome you. We shall not call you moles. We shall judge you by your actions. So our doors are open. Please join us. Now this gentleman I'm about to introduce to you, ladies and gentlemen, is a gentleman that I met in Parliament. He's a gentleman that is unborgable. He's a gentleman that inspires me a great deal. And ladies and gentlemen, before you, I introduce the Honorable David Kalwanga from Busuju. Honorable, it's my pleasure and honor to present to you your National Unity Platform membership card and the brochure of what we stand for. Thank you. Say something.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my principal. It's quite unfortunate that we didn't expect such events to happen like the way they are. but we are very happy of whatever is going on. What I can tell you, there's nothing that hurts than lacking a source of belonging. I myself, I came as a member of parliament, but I came as an independent person. From nowhere, I met this guy, my boss, Danny. And I'm happy that now I have a source of belonging. I'm ready and I'm very committed to do whatever it takes. What I can tell you that even yesterday we elected our district executive in Mitiana, and I'm sure 100% we are going to perform. Guys, yes. I'm very happy. Thank you very much. I now have where to belong, and I'm ready to perform the way I feel happy. Thank you very much. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Thank you.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Everywhere.
NUP.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Mbarara.
NUP.
Entebbe.
NUP.
Even here.
NUP.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Even in Rachitu. All right, ladies and gentlemen, allow me, with utmost confidence, with utmost love, with utmost appreciation, and utmost inspiration, introduce my personal friend who I believe needs no introduction. This young man, and I will not apologize for calling him a young man, because he's indeed a very young man, but with very, very, very strong resolve, very determined, very solid. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you none other than the Honorable Zake Francis. This, my friend here, we have survived death I don't know how many times. But God promised us that we shall not die before Uganda is free. That is why for Zake and myself, every risk, the liberation of Uganda is worth it. My brother, my friend, it is my honor to present to you a membership card in the National Unity Platform and a brochure that shows what we stand for. Welcome, and I salute you.
Yes.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Zibuge.
Zake.
Zake.
Zibuge.
Mr. President, and the next commander of the armed and the unarmed forces, I'm really very, very, very grateful to be part of this, because I believe as young people, we began this. And this is the time to push it so that we make it the greatest party ever in Uganda. Mr. President, we've been hearing about a narrative that by 2021 there will be no opposition party. But I want to let you know that this time we are going to make sure that no political party other than National Unity. Because the NRM thought that it would be the only existing party. But we are telling the NRM people that you will not be existing by 2021.
Yes.
Because some of our opposition friends thought that we are here to stamp on them. But we are here to step on the NRM and make sure that the NRM is phased out of the Uganda politics. So, I believe there are so many young people out there who are doing whatever it takes, risking their lives like how we've done, getting inspired from what we are doing. I really urge you to continue doing that because that's what is going to make NUP the greatest party in Uganda.
Yes.
I want
Era Bobi Wine yavuddeyo n'agamba ebyo bye babuzaabuza nti NUP people power ya NUP nedda sebo olina okuba ne bbaluwa ya NUP bw'oba oyagala people power ekuyambeko oba si ekyo ng'oli mu kibiina ekikolagana ne people power togenda kwambala buwambazi kakofiira baba kubeera nga akakofiira bakakkirizaako wali ndowooza ambuleera teyanditulabyeko naye kyonna kye kiri akakofiira kaakula ne kafuuka ambuleera kati kitegeeza aba people power musobola okuva kakofiira ne mudda kwa ambuleera yonaavaawo nga mudda ne ku nnyonyi kuba kati ekibiina kijja kuba kikula mpola mpola naye nga Bobi Wine agambye wobeera ogamba oli wa people power tojja funa buwagizi okugyako ng'olina ekibiina ekikolagana ne people power olina kubawa NUP ofune obuwagizi bwa people power bwonna for now kyekyo sijja kusukkawo olunaku olwaleero ndowooza ezo zijja kumala ayagala osindika ka video ogenda ku Facebook The Final Channel n'oteekako The Final Channel n'onoonye ennamba eri 070588 eziddako zinoonye ku Facebook osobola okunsindikira ka video ko mbenga nkateekayo okasindika ku namba eyo ya WhatsApp. It is The Final Channel. The name is SPV Graphics. I'm out.